Hello, this is a new reaction series about Reddit. The question was, I'm working on the side project and I want to trigger a bit of some pages after a cron job finish. I want to explore a possible solution, some solution. Of course, it's not the ending of the final solution. It's quite a simple approach, like a cron tab, a script shell. After we have a solution serverless. Okay, it's something about possible solution, not only exhaustive, but some ideas. Solution more simple is cron tab. Basically, in the in ship next, I just prepare some. We can use that like in the example, and inside the TypeScript can parsing or scripting or scaping or whatever you want the pages, and after save on the file system, on the DB, wherever you want. I think the second approach is Vercel. Vercel have a cron job. I just prepared in the ship next with the syntax, how you can enable the cron job in Vercel. And basically you can make the same thing. Okay, the same approach. You can explore directly in the Vercel. You deploy basically in Vercel. Okay. For me, the second approach is more complex, but pretty simple, straightforward. I think the cron job service plus API is more robust. You can implement some control, or you can call the external system. Basically, instead of the execution of the TypeScript, you can obviously call an API and make the same thing. The other approach, EC2, OS, or ECS, something like Docker or whatever you want. Basically, it's the same approach, but in addition, we have a more complex architecture server. Okay, basically, we can have a Docker inside, have an API. We can explore in more detail that section, but I think it's too long, and we can make another video. Another approach is cron tab plus front-end sync. Basically, you can have an admin dashboard, and you can launch with the web runner or something like that in a sync, and you call to the API scraping. It's more complex, the API scraping, because I think split in two parts, like output on S3 HTML for saving, and after have a cron tab make a scraping something more quickly and more safety. After the parsing, basically you can save of a MongoDB or S3 asset. Okay, it's more safety, more robust, and you can have a full control what are you scraping and what are you parsing. Basically, if we have a more solution complicated, basically you can LBL, a load balancer, for having a more robust structure, and connected to load balancer, HES or Docker or whatever you want, one more API, and they launch a job, basically with Kafka or Rabbit or whatever you want. And after we have a listener, they call the URL, save the HTML, and after you have some job, read the HTML, make a parsing, and save the data on the MongoDB, and as free asset. If you want a visit or have a flavor serverless, of course, you have a load balancer in the same way, but you can manage AWS Lambda, and the Lambda launch Kafka or Rabbit or something job, and after in the same way have output on S3 HTML and make a scripting on the same way we just discussed. I think was a simple approach from the simpler to more complicated. Obviously, not are the best solution for your project. Write me in the comment which are the best solution for you.